full bit of glasses. These are fake. I originally wanted this to be a no talking vlog, but I am so happy I decided to talk just to show my appreciation. I just saw that I hit 800 followers. Well, now it's 801. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported and watched my recent video, the video before this. I don't know what to say. I'm just really happy and super grateful because I'm giving YouTube another chance. I tried this platform 4 years ago and it didn't work out. So I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy to know that all of you are enjoying my videos. I hope that you all stick around. I have more content planned in the next weeks or so. Thank you so much. I'm really happy. Oh, also, it was Sebastian's birthday yesterday. We don't know exactly, but that's what the shelter put, February 18th. And I wanted to get him a cake, but I couldn't find a cake yesterday. And so I think I'm just gonna make one from scratch. And then I want to have like a little cat party. He has like 2 cat friends, and one of them moved out to Sacramento. Oh my gosh, she needs to stop. Sebastian, you need to stop jumping. Sorry about that. But again, thank you for 800 subscribers. I am very happy, super grateful. And I honestly just can't wait to keep putting out more content for you all to enjoy. And I hope you're all enjoying it. And I'm actually waiting for Logan to get home. We're gonna buy a tent. We're gonna go camping this weekend for his birthday. And that's more content for you guys. So I can't wait to show you our little adventure. I think I'm just gonna stare at that subscriber count for like the next hour. Just super happy. Thank you. Got the gift. Also got some cards. Yes, cards with an S. Because I couldn't decide which one I like the most. But look, this is Ollie, Sebastian, and this is very me. I feel like when I saw this one, I literally wanted to cry. Years from now, when you find this card at the bottom of your junk drawer, know that it will still be true. He actually has a junk drawer, and he's kept all of the cards I've given him in the past year in there, so this is very fitting.